Will applying new grout over old grout make it thicker?
Hello there. In this video, we'll be discussing a common question in the world of tile maintenance and renovation. Will applying new grout over old grout make it thicker? Whether you're looking to refresh your bathroom or kitchen tiles, or you're in the midst of a DIY home renovation project, this question has likely crossed your mind. Let's dive in and find out.
What happens when you apply new grout over old?
Firstly, it's essential to understand what happens when you apply new grout over old. The primary concern here is that grout needs a certain depth to adhere properly. If the new grout is applied too thinly over the old grout, it may not adhere correctly, leading to potential issues such as peeling or cracking over time. Secondly, applying a layer of new grout over old grout will increase the thickness of the grout lines. This could lead to an undesirable look, particularly if the thickness is inconsistent across your tiled area.
Is it advisable to apply new grout over old?
Considering the risks associated with applying new grout over old, is it something you should do? The simple answer is, it's generally not recommended. Most professionals advise against this practice because of the potential for adhesion issues. Instead, it is better to remove the old grout before applying a new one. This can be a bit more work, but it is likely to yield better, more durable results in the long run.
What should you do instead?
So, what should you do instead? Well, removing the old grout and applying a fresh layer is usually the best course of action. This way, you ensure the new grout has a clean, solid surface to adhere to. While it may seem tedious, this step can greatly increase the lifespan of your grout and, by extension, your tiled areas. Also, consider seeking professional help if the area to be grouted is large or if you're uncomfortable with the process. Proper grouting requires a fair amount of skill, and a professional can ensure the job is done right. So, in conclusion, while applying new grout over old grout will technically make it thicker, it's not a recommended practice due to potential adhesion issues and the risk of an unsightly finish. Instead, always opt for removing old grout before applying new one for a longer lasting and better looking result. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful in your tiling project.